Alright, so today I'm doing this 03 Cadillac Cts Ecm replacement. These cars got this common problem. But I got this new ECM from Flagship Auto. It looks pretty dirty. Hopefully it works. Let me turn my flash on. Yeah, hopefully it works. The connections look good, but oh well. So let's see. I already unconnected my battery. Let's see. It looks like you push that in. Push up on it. So all you do is you push that down and then push these in and then pull it back like that. And I'm guessing after that it comes up. Let me see. Let me get a flat screwdriver and I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, no flathead screwdriver needed. I just needed to pull it off. It was just on there tight. So we got 4 10mm bolts. Let me grab it. I probably should have grabbed the extension for this, but it's deep down in the toolbox. Let me go ahead and get these 4 off and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got those 4 off right there. And then there's a little connector on there. It's a T20 Torx bit. You gotta get that off with it. I think after this last thing, it's ready to come off. Let me move this out the way. It's starting to bug me. That sweet crack. Tink. Let me try to turn these. Let me get this off and I'll be right. Alright, so you're probably wondering, is this already, I got this from Flagship Auto. It's already programmed. It's called like a plug and play kind of deal. So here's the old one. Here's the new one I'm gonna put on. Basically just the same thing. Just the 4 bolts and the connector, basically. They're saying that I should be able to just put this on and everything will go back to normal, you know, with the theft system problem. It was only $200. No cord charge or anything like that. No, none of that. But yeah, just put these back on there, put the connectors back, and that's all you do, man. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you.